In this video we will learn how to install pip in our Windows machine. So, let's get started. Before starting the installation, let's quickly understand what is pip. Pip is a package manager for Python programming language. By using pip commands in terminal you can manage, install, remove, update Python packages in your machine. Before Python 3.4, we used to install Python first, and after that we had to download a Python program and run it using Python to download and install pip. But now pip installation is integrated with Python installation. In order to install pip, I will first download the Python setup binary for Windows. Here I am downloading the latest available version. Setup file is being downloaded. I will run it after it finishes downloading. Please watch the installation carefully. You have to make sure that you keep the pip install option checked in Installation Wizard. The Python installation is under progress. We will verify Python and pip installation after Wizard finishes installation. Now, I will open the elevated command prompt. Now I will verify the Python installation. I am running Python version command. If Python is installed, it will print the Python version installed in my machine. You can also verify Python by running the py command. Now I will verify the pip installation. I will run pip version command. If pip is installed, the installed version of pip will be printed on screen. Now I will show you how to install Python packages using pip. To install any package we will run pip install package name. In this example I am installing numpy package by running pip install numpy command. Pip will first download the required files from repository and install them after it. Here you can install any Python packages using pip. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your first package using pip. If you see this warning message in yellow color, that means your pip version is not latest. You can update it using pip install upgrade pip command. If you liked this video, hit the like button and write in comment box. Consider subscribing the channel for watching more videos like this.